Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out your daily motivational quote on the Breeze application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the home button down below, and after that you should click on or scroll down until you find a daily motivation, and here you can read it. If you want to share it, tap on the share button down below and click on share. You can share it via AirDrop, Messages, Instagram, Facebook, Messenger and other social networking sites, but you can also save it to your library by tapping on the save image button, click on OK, and then it will be added to your gallery. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.